Want to make YouTube videos without showing your face, recording your voice, or even picking up a camera? In this video, I'll show you how to create a full YouTube video using only AI tools. From writing the script with ChatGPT to generating voiceovers, scenes, and even auto captions. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to speed up your content creation process, this step-by-step guide will help you go from idea to upload with the help of powerful AI. So grab a coffee and let's dive into the future of content creation. Alright, step 1. Let's create our script, and for that, we're using ChatGPT. Since we're making a YouTube short in the storytelling niche, we need something short, emotional, and attention-grabbing around 30 to 60 seconds. I'll type this simple prompt into ChatGPT. Write a short, emotional story under 150 words for a YouTube short. Make it dramatic, with a twist at the end. And just like that, ChatGPT gives me this. Powerful, right? It's short, it's got a twist, and it hits emotionally perfect for short. Now that we've got our short story script, it's time to bring it to life with visuals, but instead of filming or drawing anything ourselves, we'll use AI again this time to generate images or scenes that match our story. And yes, we'll use ChatGPT again to help us create visual prompts we can plug into image generators like Meta AI, DALL, or Bing Image Creator. Alright, now that we've got our visual prompts ready, it's time to turn them into actual images using Meta AI or any AI image generator you like. This part is super simple and honestly kind of fun. Here's what: go to Meta AI or an image generator, pick one of the prompts we got from ChatGPT, paste it into the image generator's prompt box, hit generate, and wait a few seconds. Boom, you've got a beautiful, original scene you can now use in your video. Now click animate, and now you can see the images moving just like your story. You have to repeat the same step and create all your story images. Now it's time to give your story a voice, literally. And we're doing that with CapCut's AI voiceover tool, which is super easy to use and sounds surprisingly real. Open CapCut, you can use the desktop app, mobile app, or even their web editor. Start a new project and click on text in the side menu. Select the text-to-speech option. Now just copy the short story script you got from ChatGPT, paste it right into the text box. Choose your favorite AI voice from the list. You've got male, female, different accents, and emotions. Click generate voice. And that's it, you've now got a professional sounding voiceover for your story, ready to drop into your video. You can even preview different voices until you find the one that fits your story's mood best: calming, dramatic, deep, emotional, whatever you like. Now that we've got our script, visuals, and voiceover, let's put it all together and make it flow with CapCut editing. Import the AI-generated images, drag and drop the images into the timeline now. Sync the visuals to match the voiceover, adjust how long each image stays on screen, use transitions like fade in or out or zoom to add motion, add soft background music from CapCut's free library for emotional depth. Now let's add auto captions. Click on your voiceover or audio track in the timeline, go to the Captions tab and choose Auto Captions. Select the language, for example, English, and click Create. CapCut will automatically generate subtitles based on the audio. Customize your captions. Change the font, size, and color, position it where you want, usually bottom center. And just like that, you've got a fully synced, fully captioned AI-powered story video. It looks good, sounds great, and feels like something you'd spend hours on, but thanks to AI, it only took minutes. Now just have a look at the video we just created. Every night, Emma played the last voicemail from her husband. Hey love, flight's delayed, be home soon, miss you, but he never came home. The crash made headlines. No survivors. For 5 years, that message was her lullaby. A thread of him she could still hold. One stormy evening, her phone lit up. Unknown number, she answered, heart pounding. Emma? The voice was shaky, familiar. I'm alive. I've been trying to get home. Tears streamed down her face. James, I was taken. I escaped. The call dropped. Emma stared at the screen. Her heart raced, then her phone buzzed again. Another voicemail. It was the same one from 5 years ago, only this time, he whispered at the end. Don't trust the man who comes home. And there you have it, a full YouTube video made completely with AI tools, from script to voiceover, visuals to captions, no camera, no mic, no fancy setup needed. So what are you waiting for? Open your YouTube channel today and start uploading, because with AI, you can turn your ideas into content and yourself into a creator, maybe even rich faster than ever before. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing AI content, tips, and tools to grow your channel. This is just the beginning, and trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next.